Welcome, today I'm front of new REALME C30 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's just launch Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see that we are logged in into two Gmail accounts in our Gmail app. And if you want to log out from the Gmail account in Gmail app, you should log out from Google accounts on your device. To do that, you should click here to manage accounts on this device and select the account from which you want to log out. For example, let's use the second one. Then just click here to remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. And that's it. Now in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account, and let's go back to the application. Let's refresh it. And now we can see that in app we stay also only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.